Hi traders and welcome to the channel. So once you come to the site, that is bots.profitmaxtrader.com, you can click the green enter button like that. And then of course, log in with your Deriv account. You should be able to access the bots. We have a catalog of free bots here. And today I have added the ProfitMax DigitMaster V2. This is a very good bot, very good for beginners, very good for seasoned traders. And it normally trades the jump 100 index or the jump index family. Okay, so now we'll be trading jump 100, staking $10, targeting to make 3 times of that. That will be $30. And then all you need to do once you have the settings is that you come and start running the bot. Okay, now this bot has a logic whereby it looks at the last 60 ticks, okay, to see whether even or odd is leading, and then take the side that is leading. Okay, so it analyzes the digits per tick with a window of around 60, and then if it's odd, it will go with odd. Okay, so this is a review. This is a genuine review of how the bot performs, but I can tell you or assure you that this is a very good bot. Nothing, I always say nothing is perfect, but if you get a tool or a bot that can at least manage 80-90% wins, that is a good system. Okay. Now with this bot, if you can just target 3 times, okay, do not target, let's say for example, right now you can see we started with 130 something. We're at $142. We're only targeting $30 and out of the market. Okay, guys, you can see the second run there is a win. You can distribute your sessions into 3. In the morning, you make your 30. Sometime in the midday, another 30. And then maybe at night, another 30. Okay, do not overtrade. Do not chase profits. Stick to your plan. But this is a bot you can easily enter without analysis of the market because it's actually doing the analysis for you. You can clearly see it's not trading immediately. Yes, it's set at 5 ticks, but you can still see it is taking time to look at the number of ticks. I've told you it's doing a check of around 60 digits to see whether even or odd is most appearing. Okay, so you can see we have taken our third trade and you can see it has switched on to even by itself. Okay, guys, again another even, and you can see those are straight wins. We managed to get $33 and we are out of the market. So with short runs, this is a bot you can use. You can see there the switching of even and odd, and we managed to hit our take profit. Okay, so I will push it to the limit. I will just continue trading. This is a review to show you exactly the strengths and weaknesses of the bot so that you can make a decision. You can make an informed decision. But this is a bot that you can actually use if you've got some capital. Even if you've seen I've started with around 100 and something dollars. Let's go to jump 75 index. It does very well with jump 100. So I'm just going to 75 to see how it will behave. Because this is a video review just to show you my community or to show my followers how the bot behaves. Then you can make a decision. Okay. So now it has taken an odd trade there. This is a jump 75 index. And you can see the first trade is a win there. And then you can see it goes quiet for some time and then takes another trade. Okay. So you can see it has already switched to even now. It took odd, now it switched on to even, and those 2 trades are wins. Okay. So we're at around $16 there. If there's any bot that I would recommend to any beginner or anybody who has got no time to analyze the market, it's this one. Okay. This is a bot you can just enter the market and then do your short runs and out of the market. Okay. Even right now there, you could get out with that $25 and call it a day or a trading session for that time. In this video, I'm just pushing it to the limit. But so far, you can see the performance is good. It's not bad. The performance so far in regards or in relation to a bot that trades whereby you've not even analyzed the market, this is something you really need to consider. So keep observing. We've hit our first loss there, but that should not scare you. There's always a martingale. And you can see I started with around $130 something. And so far we are at 183. And like I said, I'm just going to push the bot. Even if it blows the account, that is okay. At least you will have learned something. You will have seen the performance of the bot and known the strength and weakness of the bot so that when you go live, you do not do the same mistakes. Number two, despite me showing you this, you also need to try it on demo to get a feel of how it trades. Okay, I will continue shooting more videos about this new bot with even higher stake. But so far, we've started. This is a launch. It's the first time I'm launching this bot. And you can see the review. So far, $19 profit now. And we are trading jump 100. Jump 75, sorry. We started with jump 100, which was a very good performance. Jump 75, you can see this. I'm struggling here and there. But I will look into it. I suspect now here maybe we need to look at the speed in terms of the tick, because we are working with 5 ticks. But I can assure you, when you use this bot, at least just focus on jump 100. Okay, you should be able to make some profits with good stake, short runs, and you're out of the market. You can still see it's taking its time, analyzing a pool of 60 digits, whether they are even or odd. Then it will take the dominant side. Okay, so the video could be a bit long, but this is a review. We've hit our take profit there. You can see $36. This is a review just to show you what happens if you run it using various jump index markets. That was 75. Maybe let's try jump 50 index this time. Let's try jump 50 index, and we are running the bot. Same stake, same target profit. Let's see what happens. We've started with a loss. So this is a review, a honest review showing the losses and the profits. And I said, even if it blows the account, then you will know where to concentrate on. You just concentrate on jump 100 index. This is jump 50, and so far the performance is not good on that jump index. So you may want to stay away from jump 50. That is why this video and this review is honest and showing you exactly what is happening. Let us see. So far, we are almost blowing the accounts. Despite that, on your end, try it out on jump 100. Okay, let us see how it goes. So it's still analyzing jump 50 index, and there you are. That was not a good performance. This is honesty. Stop loss reached, and you can see our balance has reduced to around $54, guys. Okay, now let's try and recover. Let's go back so that we can prove. Let's go to jump 100 index and see whether we can bring this account from 54 to around 150. Okay, and then you will make a decision on the performance of the bot. So let us see. We've gotten a win there, currently standing at $62. Let's see how the jump 100 performs with this DigitMaster bot. And so far, you can see an improvement. You can see 2 trades, and those are wins. So it can just tell you that, yes, with this bot, maybe we need to, or the market to look at is jump 100. Okay. I will come and shoot videos on the other volatilities, but you can clearly see the performance. You've seen a clear rejection of jump 50. You've seen jump 75 struggling. And then now we are looking at jump 100, which has given us straight 3 wins consecutively. So the market to go for is jump 100. Okay. Let's continue seeing. We are currently at $79 and made $25 down there. Let's zoom in so that we can see how this trading session goes. So guys, like I said, always remember trading involves a risk, and you must always trade with amounts you're comfortable losing. Okay. Then number 2, always remember that the responsibility of you winning or losing lies upon you, because you're the one who is trading there. I'm not there with you. You're the one who is there. You know which internet speed you're using. You know the entry that you took. You see, all these factors are there. Okay. You've made some profits, like the way we started, and then maybe you over traded, you blow your account. So learn to take responsibility. Trade knowing or taking ownership of the trading session, because you're the one who is running the trades, entering the trades, and using the gadget that you're using. So psychologically, first of all, take responsibility, and that is how you'll become a profitable trader. That is how you're going to grow. First of all, take responsibility. Do not look at so and so said or who did this. Get a strategy. Like right now, I'm just showing you. Take your time. There's a demo with $10,000. Stake with amounts that are equivalent to when you are staking with your real account. So if it is $50, practice with $50, stake $5 or $3. If it is $100, you can stake with $5 or $10. The same way I'm doing. So always stake in relation to your capital, practice the entry on demo, and then you'll be able to know if I stake $7, I'll be able to recover this way, or the martingale will blow my account in case it does 4 losses. It's for you to practice that and to see which stake works for you very well. Okay. Like right now, if I was taking $150, it might end up confusing you, some of you. That is why I normally try and capture very realistic trades whereby a majority of people at least can afford to get $100. And then you can actually see we are at now $73 there. And you can see a switch in terms of even odd. That shows you that the bot is actually looking at the 60 ticks or whichever number, but I know it's set at around there. And then it now decides which trade it will take. So let's continue pushing it. Right now, you saw jump 50, almost blew our account. We've made $36 there. We've hit our take profit. So we may want to stick to jump 100. Let's reset everything. And then we're at $90. Let's try and push this thing. So you've seen we went down. And right now we are on an upward trend. That shows you that jump 100 with this bot go hand in hand. Jump 100 and the ProfitMax DigitMaster V2 are an item to work with. That market and the tool itself and the bot. So let us see. You can see it's taking its time. Now, after some time, it normally takes the trades. Martingale factor is 1 there. Martingale level set at 10. You can leave those settings like that. The good thing, at least when you have a martingale of 2, the advantage is normally you recover very easily. Okay, you recover very easily if you have a strategy and you know what you're doing. That is why I'm actually using, you can see now it will take a trade of 30 and we've gotten 25. You've seen that? That is the advantage. It makes us reach our target, or recovery is made to be much easier, faster, and we push on to hit our take profit much faster with a martingale of 2. As long as you do not overtrade and you know what you're doing, like right now, your backup is the bot. This bot is doing its work behind the scenes, and you're a witness. You can see clearly. You've seen the positive side and the negative side, and that should give you an idea of how now you can handle it. Okay, remember, you being the trader, you're the one who is commanding the bot. You're the one who is deciding, because you're the one who is inputting the stake. You're the one who is setting up the take profit, target profit. Okay, all those things eventually lie on you. These gadgets normally just help you, but you're the one to direct them. You are the one to direct it. So right now it's doing the count, last 60 ticks. And then you, on the other hand, are looking at, you've set the profit target. Like now here you can see, we've hit $33. Okay, if you do not tell it to stop or when to stop, it will just continue. And if it's being beaten by the Deriv algorithm, then of course your account will blow. So you are, all of you, working as a team. You're using your brain to work with it. It's using its logic on the other side. So you merge the two and then you find a sweet spot whereby both of you can work together and fight in terms of getting profits for yourself. Okay, guys. So all of this is psychology in terms of trading on the Deriv. I'm also giving you, as we wait on for the Deriv to take trades. And you can see there we've hit our take profit of $46. Okay, we've hit our take profit of $46. And you can see 46 there. I had increased the take profit to $45. So you can clearly see we've made 136, guys. Okay, so in this review, you've seen mostly take trades with a jump 100 index, target 3 times or even 2 times your stake. You can distribute your trading session, let's say in the morning, in the evening, and then at night. Okay, that is how you can distribute your trading session. If you see yourself winning, do not chase wins or chase losses. Stick to your disciplined plan. If you're going to make $15 a day, $30 a day, $45 a day, stick to your plan. And then always remember there is tomorrow. So tomorrow again, you wake up, stick to your plan. You'll trust me, you will see yourself growing. So let us see whether we can at least do the last trade here. We are in. So in the review, you've seen us go up, you've seen us come down, and now we are going up again. Okay. All of that verifies or shows you how good a tool is or how good a bot is. And you can clearly see I'm not analyzing, I'm not using any charts, I'm not entering with the analysis tool. I'm just purely running the bot because of the logic I have told you. It's looking at the last 60 ticks, okay, that data, and then if in terms of percentage, odd is 60%, it will take trades. If even is 60, it will take even. That is the logic behind it, and you can see it's working. So far, we made 3 trades there. Those are wins. You can see $38 in profit there. You can see $38. Let's see. This is the last trade. And in the review, what you've seen me do is actually over trading. So the number of times we've won, let us say even if you win 2, and that you call it a day, or you call it a morning session, and you're out of the market, you wait maybe for another 4 hours or even 6 hours, and then you continue doing your sessions like that. Okay. Now, one secret, I know people keep asking about secrets in trading and all that, but one that I can assure you, on Deriv, if you have got good capital, somehow the market boils down to you. Somehow, the more capital you have, the easier it is to hit your take profits. I know it is a painful thing that I might be saying, but that is the truth. And that is why you need to see how you can build your capital. Trust me, if right now I was taking $150, I would have easily, in one session, made $300 or $450. There we are, we've hit our $48 again. So once you have huge capital, it's normally easy for you to enter the market in and out, and you've made substantial profits that are actually life-changing. Okay, guys, that is the bot, ProfitMax DigitMaster V2, the new bot. You can access it free at bots.profitmaxtrader.com. The link is below the video. Happy trading. Good luck. Do not give up. Be psychologically and emotionally strong. Cheers, guys.